Okay, this time we're gonna do a while loop. So int I equals 0, then do while I is less than 10. So a do while loop is of this form. So if you compile it, it runs fine. So the only exception is that do while loop has to run once, at least once. So in this case, if we do it, it should run from 0 to 9, just like the other ones. So we run it. Oh, I forgot to increment. This is gonna crash. Okay, so a while loop has to be incremented, otherwise it's not like a for loop, which is incremented right away. So 0 to 9. Don't, so a do while loop is fine if something has to run at least once. But do not use a do while loop with strings, because let's say I have here 11. So this this one, the if I is equal to 11, it's gonna run once, but it is wrong in this case because 11 is not less than 10. So it shouldn't even run. If it was a for loop, a while loop, it will never run. But a do while loop is gonna print 11 at least. So here it is. So it should not be used in cases like a string, an array, or any programs that require exact input, because you need to check the input. So in some programs that needs require like at least one, like a program that says, do you want to keep going, or something like that, yes or no, or there are many other uses for it. But otherwise, you can always stick up with for loop and while loop. All right. Before we go, I'm gonna give you, because we learned a lot. I'm gonna give you a problem. You can write a loop in which you can do addition or subtraction of numbers, and so on and so on. After all we have learned, you should be able to do this. See you next time.